everybody. Well, I wanted to use some stuff that was put back from the freezer in the pantry. So I went through some cookbooks. I didn't know what I wanted to make, but I came up with this hamburger green bean casserole. And it's from a cookbook that I got in Ohio. Was this the one? No, this is the one my daughter-in-law gave me a couple of years ago. It's an Amish community cookbook. And I did buy a lot when I was in Ohio, but she had purchased this one for me. And you need a pound of Hamburg, 1 onion, and let's see, salt and pepper, 1 14.5 ounce of green beans drained. Let's see, you need 2 8-ounce cans of tomato sauce or 1 10 3/4 tomato soup, and mashed potatoes to cover the top. So here we go. I'm going to pan you down. We got everything right here. I'm using green beans that was canned from my garden. I know what I'm eating. Okay, so you want to cook your onion in with your hamburger meat. This is 90%. Again, no fat. This is the way I like it. And you want to layer the bottom. This is just a little over a pound. I cooked it up and I said, well, I'd rather have a little more than a little less. And I didn't have to strain this. This is what come out of my pound of Hamburg. So yummy. And let me see here. Didn't realize I got drippies on my sauce here. And we're going to put in the seasonings to taste, which they say salt and pepper. We don't use a lot of it. We usually just put it on when we eat, but I'll put a little in there. So if you want some salt and pepper, I use pink Himalayan salt. That's our choice. And then it says you want to spread at the bottom of the baking sheet, layer the beans. Okay, here's the beans right here. Got my Grammy spoon. She'd be proud to know. She's sealed good. Oh my goodness gracious. That sure was a good seal, wasn't it? Now I'm just going to drain these real quick. Just like this. It says you want to put the green beans in. Oh, don't those look good? Yummy, yummy. Oh, let's not hit that spoon on the bowl. That's a no-no. And then the tomato sauce. Put that right in. Just like that. There you go. And then you're going to spoon over the potatoes. I had everything prepared because I almost didn't do a video today. Our hot water tank went this morning. I was supposed to do a premiere on a video, but that didn't get done. So I've got to limit myself on what I can do here. I have been heating water on the stove. But it's just how we take everything for granted, you know? Turn on the faucet, you got water. And when you don't have it, you don't have it. Just makes things a little harder, but that's okay. It is what it is, right? And then we're gonna put this in the oven at 350 for 30 minutes. Just like that. I have no idea what time Mr. R is getting home today. So I'll just put it in and make it, and he'll have to set till he gets home because I have a warming oven. So I'll have to bake it and put it in the warming oven. I'm just gonna smooth it on the top here. Just like this. Who doesn't like potatoes? Good old Maine taters, that's what these are. was trying not to get the sauce over the top, but yeah. Guess it is what it is, right? Grammy always does it with a twist, and there's your twist. Whoop. There you go, right there. Then we'll just put a little bit of salt over it. And a little bit of pepper. This is what it's gonna look like. And now it's going in the oven to 30 to 40 minutes. And we'll see you back here. Okay, folks, here is the casserole right here. And look how nice and brown that got all around. And I am gonna scoop out some, and we have a special guest to try it. I bet you guys know who it is. Somebody came home early because of our hot water tank being broke. So, stay tuned. He'll let you know what he thinks. Okay, guys, Ray's there. He's already complaining. Look at that shirt he's got on. Now, all the shirts he's got to get a wrinkled shirt. Come on.
That has string beans in it.
What's that, Ray?
Uh-oh.
Let's get a cup close.
Uh-oh, that's a string bean she's trying to get into me.
Oh, well.
Uh-oh.
Ray's going to do a taste test right now. Ray, be honest with us all.
Oh.
He woke Maggie May up from her nap.
She knows string beans. Maggie's in there going, don't eat it, don't eat it. A string bean. Oh,
Well, we have to eat up what we have,
I
Ray.
don't want a too big of a one here. Is there any meat in this thing?
Well, there's a whole pound of hamburger.
Uh-oh. Okay, I'm digging around for the meat there, people.
Well, it's right there. It's all that brown stuff.
Okay. Okay, here we go. Green bean and all. I don't know if I'm ready for this.
Okay, go ahead.
Here we go.
All we're doing is you
Okay,
be
green
honest.
beans.
Here's your reminder.
Not bad.
Not bad. Did you eat the green bean or did you spit it out? Or is it on the side of your mouth?
I'm eating it right now.
Be honest.
The
Here's
green,
your reminder.
it's kind of like a soup. The, I don't want to call it spices, but I do. The hamburger, I don't know what she really used. Maybe there's some sort of sauce in here, I see.
It's tomato sauce.
I think the tomato sauce and all the spices and the meat and the potato. There's a green bean right there. I think it's all in together, just like soup.
Yes.
So that way I don't really taste it.
Okay.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Are you giving 1 to 10? Honest opinion?
I give it a strong 8.
A strong 8. God, what happened to my 10? You're not going to get any more chocolate-covered bananas. And
I give it 11.
give it. I thought you'd change your mind.
It's good.
Okay, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that bell. I got to get Maggie outdoors. And
Yep.
thank you for watching. You never know what's going to be on my videos. Stay safe. Stay well. Keep the faith. And God bless.
God bless.
We'll
Thank
see
you.
you tomorrow. Bye now.